Happy first day of spring. Spring is a wonderful time where we get flowers and it's just beautiful, better weather. I'm in Southern California, so we get great weather. And it's also a time to freshen up on your speech. Hi, I'm Arvee Robinson. I'm the Master Speaker Trainer, International Speaker, and author of Speak Up, Get Clients. And I know oftentimes when spring comes, people clean out their closets. They call it spring cleaning. They might clean, their house a little bit better. But I want you to think about, as it relates to your speech, is it time to freshen it up? Maybe it's time to come up with a different attention grabber or different stories, different success stories, or maybe it's time to update your content and get it more current or maybe even more real, or maybe it's time for you to get a little more real, or what I call naked authenticity. So every single year at least, I want you to take a look at your signature talk and see what you can do to update it. Now, you might be doing it as you go along, and that's fine, but sometimes people do that same signature talk over and over and over without taking a look at it and freshening it up. So we are on day 20 of 30 days to become a powerful speaker. And powerful speakers freshen up their speech, at least from time to time. And you don't have to freshen up everything, throw everything out, but I want you to take a look at your professional story, see if you can't tweak it, add a little more vulnerability. I want you to take a look at your content and make sure it is current and up to date and exciting and innovative. And then I want you to take a look at your clothes and make sure, is that the best clothes that you could be offering now? Or is there something else that you can add to it or something else you can offer? You'll be glad you did. So let's freshen it up a little bit for the spring. I'm Arvee Robinson, and that's our lesson for today, and we will see you back here tomorrow. Bye-bye.